Good morning students. This video is for class 3 science, and today we will start with the parts that we eat of plant. Parts of plants we eat. Almost each and every part of plants are eatable of different plants. It is not that you take the same plants and you eat all the parts of a plant. No. There are different plants of which different parts can be eaten or which is actually eaten by us. We will study about those. We get most of our food from plants. The part of plants that we eat as food are called edible parts of plants. So the parts of plants which is eatable by us are known as edible parts of plant. These includes, it can be roots, it can be stem, it can be leaves, it can be branch, stem, it can be leaves, it can be fruits, it can be flowers. So there are different flowers which we eat. There are different fruits, there are different leaves, there are different roots, there are different stem that we eat. We will study about this one by one. First is roots we eat. Roots we eat. Roots of some plants such as radish, carrot, beetroot and sweet potato are edible. That means are eatable. There are some roots of plants which are eatable like radish, carrot, then you have turnip, beetroot, all this. These roots are hard, solid and fleshy. So if you see, if you all must have seen radish or carrot, they are big in size, they are swollen because these types of plants, they store food in their roots portion, and that is why they become big in size, they swell up and which is eatable by us. They grow underground and store food. So we all know roots remain under the ground. They store food and that is why they become big in size and which helps us to feed on them. Therefore, they are called root vegetables. So these are roots and they are eaten by us. That is why they are known as root vegetable. So roots we eat, they are known as root vegetable. They are known as root vegetables. Next is stem we eat. There are few stems which are eaten by us, which we eat. Like for example, ginger, potato, then there is sugarcane. They are stem and they are eaten by us. The stem of some plants are eatable and they are known as stem vegetable. They are known as stem vegetables. So the roots we eat, they are known as root vegetable. The stem we eat, they are known as stem vegetable. They can be further divided into edible stem that grow above the ground and those that grow under the ground. So these stem vegetable, there are few, they grow above the ground. Like for example, sugarcane, beetroot, and there are few which grow under the ground, like underground. For example, potato, ginger, onion, they are underground. So stem vegetables are divided into two. One that grow above the ground and one that grow under the ground. Sugarcane and beetroot are edible stem that grow above the ground, whereas potato, ginger and onion grow under the ground. So these are vegetables that grow below, under the ground. Next is leaf vegetables. Leaves we eat, which are known as leaf or leafy vegetables. Many plants, we know there are many plants, the leaves of which is eaten by us. Spinach, lettuce, cabbage, they are all leaves, they are eaten by us. Many plant leaves such as cabbage, lettuce and spinach are eaten by us. These edible leaves are also known as leafy vegetables. They are either eaten raw in the form of salad or cooked. So these vegetables, they are eaten raw. Sometimes they are eaten raw. When you act these leafy vegetables as salad, when you prepare them as salad, they are eaten raw without being cooked, and sometimes they are eaten after cooking. So these are few parts of plant which are eaten by us. So children, for today we will keep it till here. In the next class we will read about, we will learn about, we will study about the other parts that are eaten by us. So for today up to this much. Thank you class.